realistically, there's four, which I feel like as a content creator on YouTube, I should have a minimum of 8, right? But I don't. I have 4. We're doing the Frugal planning. Hi everyone, my name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and I'm here to show you what my lineup is going to look like for 2025. The first planner / notebook I'm going to be using is the Kinbor Panda. It is going to be my reading journal. So I read probably, I don't know, 60 so books a year. I do fluctuate a lot in genre. I go from thriller to horror to mystery to dark romance to romance to YA to I go back and forth from fiction to nonfiction. Probably not enough nonfiction than it probably should be, and maybe this year will be, or this next year will be different. But this is the Kinbor graph notebook. All it is graph paper, and it's perfect for me for a reading journal because I can put in the book cover, I can write what's on the back of the book, and then I need to find some cute little star stickers. I'll probably get them at Walmart or Target so that I can do 1 through 5 and just do my review and then have my review written out. So Pen Pal was one of the first books that I started, and I put it in for this just so that I could start the book. I've got Lights Out. If you haven't seen it, it is a dark romance. It's comedy. It's funny. It's cute. It's intense. There are trigger warnings, all the whole things. So that is the first book that first planner book that I will be using. I got this from AliExpress and absolutely adore it. I will try to remember to tag it down below. It's from what I would consider it's affordable. It's a hardcover. It's well put together. I'm excited to pop in and fill this. Probably not for 2025. I can't imagine that I will fill all of these pages with books. I don't know. Maybe I will. Love to see. The second one, you have seen the setup on my channel this week. It is the composition notebook. I cut it down to, let me get you my measurements, 5 3/4 by 7 3/4. So not quite an A5, but A5 enough for me. And this one is going to be my health and household. So it has spots for, 20 meals for each month. It's a quarterly, and I have filled it out all the way through the end of March, and then it'll have dailies with, 3 things I want to do, a focus thing that I want to do, any notes, and then just kind of brain dump how I'm feeling with my health, how I'm feeling with the house, just a touch base every day. So this should be a lot of fun. I've got 3 more of them that are not decorated, ready to go. So that will definitely be something. If you are not already subscribed, you will want to subscribe if you want to see the rest of the 3/4 as the year goes by. And then this is the, what is it called? I always forget the name of this. Inamio. This is an Amazon find that one of my community members, one of my friends, Kelly, had said, hey, you need to go check out this planner. It is super affordable. It's on Amazon, and I think you're really going to like it. And so far, I have really liked it. It started in November, so I have been already moved into this one. This is going to be my catch-all. So it's probably going to be super functional. You're not going to see a lot of stickers in here. I don't want to bulk it up because it is a bound book. I don't want to bulk it up. You may see some like colored pens, some colored markers, some Tombos, maybe some highlighters in here, but it is not going to be sticker crazy or washi tape crazy at all. This is going to be this is what's going on in my life in one book. The last one I think is going to surprise you. So this is a happy planner. It's a 24-25, and I am starting out in 2025. I'm not going to go back into 2024 and start it. So, oh wait, I got to put this in my Kinbor. Hold on. I don't want this to get lost. Doop. There we go. Anyway, this one is going to be my decorative use my stash planner. So this is a happy planner. It is a vertical planner. So all of the happy planner sticker books that I have accumulated over the last 15 years, I am going to be using in these. So if you're into frugal decorative planning, like I am not going to encourage you to go out and buy sticker books. I'm really not. You don't need them. They're, if you want them, that's fine, but you don't need them to plan. I have them and I would like to use them. I feel guilty for holding on to them and not using them. So once a week, you will see this happy planner go up with a very decorative, maybe even no white space plan with me. I know it sounds crazy for a frugal channel, but I can tell you, if you don't use what you have, you're not being very frugal. And I feel guilty that I have all of this stuff that I have accumulated and haven't used. So 2025, mark my words, hi Mark, it is going to be the year that I use my stuff. I'm using my stuff. And I challenge you, if you are like me and you have a stash of washi tape or stickers or stamps or whatever it is, I challenge you for 2025 to really hop in there and use your stash. I will pick a day of the week to publish this and I may even plan live events so that you and I can plan together with all of our stuff. Let me know down below if that's something you would like. If you would like to do a live event with me where we can get all of our stuff and we can get it down on paper and we can actually use the items that we have purchased in the past. And for me, most of the items that I've purchased have been because I have been watching creators like me for the past 15 years. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I need that planner, or I need those stickers, or I need that kit, or I need blah, blah, blah. And then I get it and I'm like, I don't know what to do with it. We're going to figure out what to do with it. We're going to figure it out for 2025. So that is the lineup. This will be the almost no white space. Use your stash happy planner. And then we have the household and health, make it yourself, a DIY cut down composition notebook, all 50 cents of her. The everything and everyone Inamio, is that what it is? Let me see if I got it right. Did I get it right? If I got it right, you guys. If I got it right. Yeah, Inamio. I'll link this one down below. And then the book journal in the Panda from AliExpress's the Kimboard. So I'm excited. Four planners, 4 notebooks, four things for the channel in 2025. I think that's totally manageable. I think that's totally realistic. I don't feel guilty about it. And I'm going to be able to use up a lot of my stash, which is so important for me. I need to get things like downsized. Let me know down below what you will be using in 2025. Let me know if any of these were like, oh, aha, yeah, I need to use my stickers too. Let me know if you had any of those moments, and I will meet you down in the comments. I love you. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.